Hello students, today we are discussed with a new chapter, that is lesson number 11, simple machines. So students, first of all we will discuss what is machine. You have seen a lot of machines in your home like fridge, television, washing machine, etc. So these machines make our work easier by using less for effort. So a machine can be defined as a machine is a tool that makes our work easier by helping us to overcome a large force by applying lesser effort or force. So machines are of two types, simple machine and complex machine. Simple machine are those machine which uses single force to overcome single load. On the other hand, complex machines are those in which two or more simple machines work together. The example of simple machines are like scissors, staplers. Here in simple machine, single force is used to overcome single load. And in complex machine, for example, washing machine, television. In this type of machine, two or more simple machines are working together. So these are our simple or complex machines. Our next topic is lever. What is lever? A lever is a rigid rod that can move freely around a fixed point. A lever is divided into three parts: fulcrum, load and effort. So look at this picture. Fulcrum. Fulcrum is a fixed point around which a lever moves. This is lever. So fulcrum is the fixed point around which a lever moves. For example, seesaw. This fulcrum is a fixed point and this is a lever and this is a load. Load is the object where work has to be performed. And this is the effort part and it is the force that has to be applied on the rod to perform a task. Look at the picture here. This man is trying to pull this heavy load. So this rod is act as lever and this is a fulcrum which is a fixed point between this stone and the rod. So here the effort should be applied to remove this heavy load. Lever is divided into three parts: first class lever, second class lever and third class lever. In first class lever, the fulcrum is the fixed is at the center and load and effort at the on the corners. The example of the first class lever is scissor and seesaw. But in second class lever, the load is at the center and effort and fulcrum at their corners. The example of the second class lever is bottle opener and nutcracker. Here look at the picture. This nutcracker, the fulcrum is at the corner and the effort is also at the corner, and here the load, the nut are placed in between this machine. So the load is applied at the center. Now the next one is third class lever. In third class lever, effort is in between and fulcrum and load at their corners. The example of third class lever is a stapler and a fishing rod. Look at the picture. In the case of stapler, the fulcrum is at their corners and load is also at the corner, and effort means we pressed the thumb with the help of our thumb. So effort is applied in the middle side. So from here it is clear that in first class lever, second class lever and in third class lever. In first class lever, fulcrum is in between the load and effort. In second class lever, load is between the fulcrum and effort. And in third class lever, effort is in between the fulcrum and load. Thank you students. This is our first part of our this lesson.